Ever wondered why we can't resist yawning when we see someone else yawn? Let's unravel the mystery of yawning. Why do we yawn when others do? Yawning is contagious, but the reason behind this phenomenon might surprise you. It turns out, it's all about empathy and social bonding. When we see someone yawn, a part of our brain called the mirror neuron system kicks in. It makes us unconsciously mimic their actions, creating a deep social connection. Studies suggest that yawning together can enhance group cohesion and foster empathy among individuals. So, the next time you catch someone else yawning, remember, it's just a sign that we humans are wired for connection.